What's up, y'all? It's your boy JRDNROB, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you love all things fashion, mental health, fashion with a little bit of bullshit on the side, then this is the place for you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the JRDNROB mob.
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Y'all, I'm so excited. Today is freaking move-in day, and we done moved into our penthouse suite, baby. Like, what? I feel like, what's the Jeffersons moving on up to the, this ain't even a twerk song. I ain't even finna show out like that for y'all, for real. But this video is going to be an empty apartment tour. That's probably why y'all hear echoing in the background. But yeah, let's get it cracking. Let me go ahead to the front door so I can show y'all the Phillips penthouse. I don't even know if that's what I want to call it yet, but I'm gonna call it some type of penthouse. Let me get into it, y'all.
Made it to LA, yeah. Finally in LA, yeah. Looking for the weed, though. Tryna make my own, though. Calling for Maria. Lost without Maria. By diving in Marina. Yeah. So trust me, baby, trust me. Trust me, baby, trust me. Trust me, baby, trust me. I don't mind. Trust me, baby, trust me. Trust me, baby, trust me.
Okay, so I showed y'all my house. Tell me what your favorite part of it was. Like, I hope the video wasn't too fast. I'm a little sad that I don't have a balcony, but like, we will live. The living room, the space that I have in my living room is great. The bar, like the stainless steel appliances with the white cabinets, I love the bathroom, and I love the room. I was thinking about getting a king size bed, but I think I might do a queen size. Drop down to comment below, what size do you think I should put in there? I think if I do a king size bed, then I'm not gonna be able to put like nightstands and things beside my bed, and I really want to put nightstands beside it. Also, y'all see the boxes on the counter? Yeah, sorry, I had to go get them out of the Amazon locker because the time was almost up, because my friend's been doing a big one, and plus my Wi-Fi had came. But I am going to drop my Amazon wish list down below in case you want to help a brother out and buy some shit. Please do that. Please, please, please do that. No, for real, go buy something. But yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all along the journey as we decorate and furnish my penthouse. And I don't give a fuck if it ain't a penthouse, bitch, it's my penthouse. Yeah, so stay tuned for all of the penthouse content and more content to come. Love you, bye.